My research topic is related to evaluation of adoption factor of forest landscape restoration in Tchamba prefecture. Stakeholders, especially governments, politics, and researchers, all of them want sustained future of our world, but they didn't know really which kind of factor can be motive this sustainability. And then my research is to search of those factors behind the successful adoption. And I can say that my finding will guide stakeholder not only on my country but on the world to know how kind of factor they can use to support the successfully of the forest landscape restoration. It is very important to combine those two aspects to achieve the goal, which is to have a better life, to have sustained forest, to strengthen livelihoods of local population. I can say that my research focus more on adoption factor. We know that adoption factor study take a look in different side like social part, ecological part. For me, the innovation that I use here is that I'm doing this adoption factor in the link of forest landscape restoration. This study, which is like forest landscape restoration, I can say we didn't find really study who make the link between ecological part, social part, institutional part, socio-economical indicator. So for me, the innovation that I make here is that I'm looking for those factors in the frame of a different dimension. We know that innovation is like to create a different thing, but for me, the innovation form of my research is to look of those factors who contribute to strength social things, ecological things, climate things. So I can say that this is the innovation that I use by combining both a lot of factors in different sections, in different way to see what can be possible to strengthen forest landscape restoration. I know that now you cannot say that you are scientific and you are alone in your research area. We know that combining both expertise coming from sociolog, historical, ecolo, forester is very, very important because everyone is very important to build this world. So coming to this autumn school will bring me this knowledge by knowing what people are doing in their sites, and also create this networking, because we know that to be a big researcher of the world, you have to have this connection. So coming to autumn school will also bring me this opportunity to create a good connection as young scientific, know about people, know about what they are doing, and strengthen our skill in the side of research.